What is up, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and yes, back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be embroidering on a cap, and what we'll be embroidering is De La Soul's logo. So, if you don't know who De La Soul is, that's a 1980s music group, and very popular, and they had some good songs and singles as well. Just to name a few. They had a song with Shaka Khan called All Good. They had another song which was called Break of Dawn. Another song I think is called Buddy. I know they made a remix, or I think it's the remix version. And last but not least, of course, Me, Myself, and I. So they had some very, very classical songs and good music to listen to. And it was all like very, how you want to say it, conscious. You know what I mean? So good music, great quality. And yeah, so that's what we'll be getting into today. So definitely stay tuned to the video. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, if you are still watching the video, do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated and definitely help the channel out a lot. Sorry about that. So go ahead and do that for me guys if you can. And let me know how you feel about the video so far. How is everything coming out? Does it look clean as far as the stitches? Go ahead and put that down in the comment section below. Thank you. Alright guys, down in the comment section, put one of your favorite De La Soul tracks that you love to hear, or just to, you know, enjoy yourself and listen to once in a while. So go ahead, put that down in the comment section below. You know, I just want to know you guys' thoughts, so I appreciate it. Alrighty, done with this portion. Now let's go over to the next color, which will be for the flowers. So let's jump ahead and get that started now. right, off to the next color. I wasn't actually going to add the yellow for the center of the flower, but you know, it gives it that extra pop, so why not? All right, everything is finished embroidering, so let me go ahead and take it off the hat bracket and show you guys the final result. Stay tuned to the video. All right, everybody, let me know how the hat came out. How does it look? Does it look clean? Go ahead, put that down in the comment section below. I actually love the hat. It's more of a woman's type of hat. Not saying a man couldn't wear it, but I feel like it has a woman feel to it, I guess, with the flowers. But all in all, it looks great. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. And once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.